Doormats can be boring, so why not add some flair and a personal touch with a custom stencil? This doormat made of natural material is perfect for our cottage entrance for a natural, rustic look. We've decided to customize it with a stencil from Margaritaville Studios. Lay your stencil down and hold it in place with some painter's tape. Choose your color. Here we're creating a custom blend by mixing a tester of chocolate into a pint of Renfrew blue for a unique, deep turquoise look. Dab the paintbrush into the paint and remove the excess. Dab it onto the surface. Do not paint or swirl on this surface as it will lead to bleeding through the stencil. I'm using a natural bristle brush to get into the details of this fabric. Apply your first coat and let it dry for 30 minutes. We do recommend applying a second coat on this type of material. It will look better and last longer. Due to the nature of this fabric and heavy foot traffic, this doormat is expected to last for about 1 year.